There's no question that 2022 was an exciting year for the financial industry, from the crypto market crash to new financial regulations and the rise of digital-only banking. And with this, another new year gives us another opportunity to predict what's in store for fintech and the financial industry. So, here are the top 10 trends we see happening this year. Firstly, we have embedded finance. Embedded finance is the integration of financial services or tools traditionally obtained via a bank within the products or services of a non-financial organization. For example, it could be an e-commerce merchant providing insurance, a coffee shop app that offers one-click payments, or a department store's branded credit card. Effective embedded finance solutions meet the customer where they are with the financial option they need, whether that be a loan, payment program, insurance plan, or something else. The ecosystem of embedded finance is enormous, and it is expected to grow significantly this year. According to McKinsey, researchers estimate that the embedded finance payment industry will grow by 40.4% annually. With embedded finance, companies can offer complete offerings throughout a customer's journey to increase customer satisfaction and business revenue. Embedded finance has the flexibility and universality to be applied to any company or industry with a transactional element. It also has the potential and momentum to fully revolutionize payments and broaden the horizons of innovation within financial services. Even incumbent players, traditionally slow to take up new practices, have begun to realize the world of possibilities presented by embedded finance. Next, we have SaaS platforms, or software as a service. A SaaS platform is a solution used to sell, distribute, and manage cloud-based software and services. SaaS solutions have completely revolutionized traditional software product licensing models. Simply put, the software is hosted in the cloud and managed by a third-party provider. This means that users don't need to purchase hardware or software licenses or worry about the installation or maintenance. All they need to do is pay for the service and start using it. The platforms provide a better customer experience and faster product delivery, resulting in increased customer and user satisfaction. For financial companies, using a SaaS platform can be incredibly beneficial. These platforms offer several advantages over traditional on-premises solutions, including cost saving, scalability, agility, and security. Amongst all SaaS solutions in 2023, we could expect to see increasingly low-code or no-code solutions, white-labeled SaaS and micro SaaS products. Thirdly is alternative finance. Alternative financing is funding that's available outside of the traditional major banks. It gives founders more flexibility and variety for choosing solutions for financial services. The industry has brought innovative products and new thinking methods to businesses borrowing. The non-bank providers use financial technology to offer and improve convenient means of finance in categories such as equity finance, business loans, insurance, and much more. A simple example of this is crowdfunding. Founders rely on marketplaces to generate funds for their operations and endeavors. The reason we see it as a trend is given this economic transition, startups need financial resources to adapt to the market and pursue opportunities for expansion. There's high competition in the technological ecosystem, and it's critical that companies have access to the working capital they need to meet the moment in their business's journey. Next, we have Regtech. Regtech stands for regulatory technology. It is a form of financial technology that enables organizations to manage the ever-growing number of regulatory requirements more efficiently that they must comply with. This year, we expect Regtech to disrupt the regulatory landscape by providing advanced tech solutions for compliance issues. With the entry of alternative finance, blockchain, and AI, the fintech industry will raise attention from governments worldwide. Regtech has emerged to help businesses streamline nearly every part of their compliance process. With the help of cloud technology, machine learning, and big data analytics, Regtech will intensify its solutions to enable financial institutions to identify and prevent risks effectively and accurately in the coming years. This can help minimize costs associated with non-compliance and also allow businesses to focus on more strategic initiatives rather than spending time manually managing compliance processes. Fifth, we have AI technology. Artificial intelligence has shaken the financial industry, and banks are some of the most profitable institutions embracing this technology. Artificial intelligence enables the automation of complex and high-value processes within the finance sector. AI helps support chatbot interactions, personalized customer service, and drives infrastructure decisions, assisting financial entities in combating cybercrime, money laundering, and fraud. As businesses become more customer-centric and customers become more aware, the use of this technology will benefit organizations greatly. Next, we have the buy now, pay later sector, which will continue to grow. This is a type of payment option that allows customers to purchase items now but pay for them later. This type of payment option has become increasingly popular amongst consumers as it provides immediate access to items without having to pay for them all at once. The popularity of this can be attributed to several factors, including increased consumer demand for more flexible payment options and the growing availability of digital solutions such as mobile apps. Many retailers have embraced buy now, pay later as a way to attract new customers and increase sales due to its convenience and ease of use. As more retailers offer this type of payment option, more people are likely to use it, which further contributes to its growth. Know Your Customer, or KYC guidelines, is next. KYC guidelines outline the steps that businesses should follow to properly verify the identity of their customers. These include verifying personal information such as name, address, and date of birth, as well as documentation such as government-issued identification or proof of address. And with cashless solutions growing faster than ever and more financial players evolving on the global market, there also comes a need for innovative regulations. KYC guidelines, which are the regulations to protect financial institutions from corruption, will see major growth next year as more people adopt digitalization. More loopholes will emerge, and in order to detect corruption, KYC guideline innovation will be focused upon. A significant shift to sustainability is eighth. With growing concerns about the environment and climate change, we can expect to see a heightened focus on sustainability in the finance industry in 2023. This trend is being driven both by consumer pressure and by the banking industry's desire to drive positive change. The development of enhanced products and embedded services that support sustainable practices, as well as increased efforts to reduce the environmental impact of business operations, will become the forefront of finance institutions. Next, cybersecurity will become a top priority. Cybersecurity has always been crucial for financial institutions. However, with the number of data breaches increasing year over year, it's clearly more of a concern than ever before. These cyber attacks have wide-ranging impact on organizations. According to Receive, 42% of businesses say that digital fraud prevents innovation and halts their expansion into new channels. Cybersecurity breaches are particularly damaging for financial institutions. Their customers' financial and personal identifiable information are incredibly valuable for hackers, and security breaches may result in the bank losing a huge quantity of customers as well as revenue. Thus, financial institutions will prioritize cybersecurity in 2023. They must not only optimize their own internal processes, but they must also be selective about only working with third parties that put data security at the top of everything they do. Lastly, collaboration, not competition, within the financial industry. It may not be something we're used to hearing in finance, but collaboration will be one of the key finance trends to look out for in 2023. The digital drive is forcing established banks to move from legacy systems to innovative solutions. It's unlikely that fintech companies can take the stronghold of the market, but traditional banks will have to determine whether they decide to introduce their solutions or partner with fintech companies to maintain the edge over the competitors. If customer expectations continue to rise and demand the types of products and services offered by fintech startups, incumbent finance companies will have to find solutions to deliver new products or collaborate with those who can. It is impossible to conclude how things will turn out this year. However, we know with certainty that 2023 will be a significant year for the financial industry, as the fintech industry is evolving with market trends to meet customers' needs, business goals, and regulatory demands worldwide. In 2023, we expect to see robust technology shaking the finance industry and enabling it to strengthen business propositions, enrich customer experiences, and boost revenue. What trends are you most excited about? Did we miss any? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like and subscribe button.